Good morning, baby girls. So we're gonna get my phone's ringing. Oh, there you go. So we're gonna be getting Sprinkles ready. As you can see, come here, Sprinkles. Check out her cute dress that she got. Let's get her closer. So look at her dress.
Look at my dress.
And look at her cute thing that she got. Let's take it off. Bam! You so tired?
No.
No?
No.
So we're gonna do something fast and easy with her hair. Let's get started. We'll be back in 5, 4, 3, 2.
The world is not prepared to face a being from another planet. You have to have a lot of patience.
Sprinkles got Rapunzel, and she also got, what else did you get? Who? Elsa. So let's check out Elsa. So check out Elsa and her cute dress. Sprinkles got her princess dress on. And she's brushing. Rapunzel. She's brushing her hair. And she has her dress as well.
And her face.
And her face.
And her eyes.
Beautiful eyes, huh? They have big eyes. So yeah, Sprinkles got all excited when she first seen it this morning. Yeah?
Yeah. She got big eyes. And you got big eyes too.
I have big eyes too.
Yeah.
And I got the kids over there. That one is scratching his butt. Lucky. So check out Sprinkles' clothes for today. So here is her shoes. Here is her shirt. Today's raining. It's cold outside. So her mom got her a perfect shirt. It has butterflies and a simple pants. Look at this one. Some pants. This is what Sprinkle's gonna be wearing today. Check out my bag, my makeup, bam, my hair stuff, bam. So this is my room, bam. And Sprinkle is brushing. Now her hair, look at her hair. So you brushing? Okay, brushy.
No, Elsa's turn.
Elsa's turn. You still gotta brush her hair.
Oh, brush her.
Yeah, brush her hair right.
Ah,
Okay.
look.
You found my hair. She found my hair. My hair.
Here you go, Dia.
Alright, I'm gonna put some music now so we can play around. Rapunzel. She loves it. She was dancing with it, playing with it. And then we have her favorite, which is, who is she?
Elsa.
Her favorite, Elsa.
Then she's laid down.
Yep, so let's do something fast and easy with Sprinkle's hair. So we have a rainy day.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to twist up her hair.
Yep.
And I'm just going to do it like this.
Then you're gonna do it like this. There's Smoothie here. Then she wants to go where? Then she got mad.
Sprinkles, you see your hand? Hold it, okay? Don't let go, okay? I'll be right back. Don't let go.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, go ahead. There you go. We got some cute little rubber bands in here.
Oh, you got this for me?
Yep, so we could do your hair. Because the other ones, I just have black and white.
Oh, thank you.
So I wanted to get something colorful. Because you know me, I like my bright colors. No, we're going to use yellow. We're going to do the same to the next one. We're just going to grab and twist. That's it. And then just go in circles. And then just keep twisting it. And we're just going to go circles. This is the way how you do it. You're going to bend it. Open it up. There we go. And there we go with this cute, easy hairstyle. Next, I'm just in the back. I'm just going to brush the back. I'm just going to brush it.
Ow.
Oh, sorry. Sprinkles hair's a little tingle. There we go. Her hair's getting long. Alright, so that's how you do that cute, fast, easy hairstyle. Bam. Next, we're gonna just, put this. Next, we're gonna get her ready. Let's change her. You still want this on your hair? Okay, I'm gonna put it in the back. She still wants that.
I love you. Thank you, dear.
You're welcome.
No.
Let's change Sprinkles. We'll be right back. There you are. So stand up. So here goes Sprinkles' outfit. Ready? Get up. There she goes. So there you go. This is Sprinkles' shirt with some pants. Ooh, a little spinny. Ooh, how cute. Oh, hold on. Let's fix this really quick. Put this over here.
I love you.
I love you. Ah.
Rolling in the bed.
Star. But yeah, so her dolls are like the size of her, nearly this her size. She got two, Rapunzel and Elsa. Alright, so thank you for watching our short video. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright, thank you baby girls for watching. Hope you guys like this video. See you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe to me on Marisreviewchannel. See you guys next time. Peace out.